Welcome back to Mr. How To. If you have upgraded your TubeBuddy license, but feel like ending it, you can follow the steps in this video. First, open any browser you have. Go to tubebuddy.com. Then click Account on the right side. You will be directed to your account. Log in first if you haven't done so already. Here my TubeBuddy is already licensed Pro. If you want to end it, click the blue button on the right. Scroll down and you will find Cancel License. After clicking, there will be a notification of any losses if you end it. You can give reasons to feedback to TubeBuddy. Then click Confirm Cancellation. Please note, if you buy a monthly license and end it before 1 month is over, you can still enjoy its features for up to 1 full month.